Hello and welcome. It's me again, Julie Cube, and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. It's kind of getting towards tea time, so I'm trying to fit in a sneaky quick pour before I get stuck in and cook tea with my hubby. So he hasn't turned up home yet from down his shed doing whatever he does down in his shed, secret men's business. So I'm trying to fit in a little bit of secret women's business. So wish me luck. I'm going to try and get in and do it. So this is just a white base, just my normal acrylic paint. This is global acrylic mixed with the pouring medium that I have listed in the drop down box below. So I'm just going to coat it with my white, and I think I'm not going to say what I have planned because in my head, because all of this week nothing has turned out to plan at all. I think everything I've tried is that I planned, or I do this or do that. It just doesn't go. So I'm gonna just go along on my merry little way, like I tell you guys, you know, don't worry, it's your art room, your way, and all of that, and just see if I can come out with something that I had in mind. So, go. I just want to make sure there's plenty of paint. I've got a bit of a wobbler going on here. Let's put a little wedge. Be my no, it's not my table, because my table is nice and flat. Must be I've got the canvas on a bit of a wobble by the look. Anyway, it will be okay for this one because I'll be putting it elsewhere to dry. So rightio, that is my base coat. I've got some lovely colours here. I've got some lilac, I've got haze, and I have also got phthalo blue. I'll explain them as I go along, that would be better, but they are lovely colours. So let's see, I'm going to, let me think about this, let me think. Down like that. I'll do that one side first. So that is the lilac, and then I've got a phthalo blue. And I might put in that lovely haze on the other side of it. I think I'm going to just stick. I'm going to keep it simple. I've got that. I just want to bring it. Seems like a bit of a weird composition, doesn't it? Oh, I'm hoping. Anyway, that was the phthalo blue. The lilac and the haze. Got a little bit of a plan. Oh, this is my homemade navy blue. This is what I custom make, and it's a dark navy. So this is just mixed with Floetrol only. I haven't got any silicone in these paints whatsoever. So, and I'm doing a spipe with the soft plastic file divider. I'll sort of do it with the different sizes. Oh my goodness. See, that is just the most beautiful little champagne cells that have come through there. Gorgeous. And that's just with my global paints mixed, when you mix them just with Floetrol. So not even Amsterdam paint, so there you go. My idea being that when this dries, that Scott will come in and embellish it further, but I'm having to just do pours with him in mind that still look good either way for people that don't have the airbrush art skills, that can still do the same kind of pour. Got some there, that doesn't matter, but I've got some negative space for him to work on, and I've just done the outline, so I'm pretty happy with that so far. So good. That's turned out quite absolutely gorgeous. The cells are beautiful. I'll bring you down in a few seconds to have a look. So it's turned out better than what I thought, so fingers crossed. And then I will bring that one in. And it's always quite, like, it's exciting for me to actually wonder what Scott will embellish it with, you know, like it's so much pleasure to me to have him come in and, you know, do his thing on it. And I might say to him, oh, I think you should do X, Y or Z, and of course his does his own thing, his own artistic prowess comes in and takes it to a whole different level. I've just been enjoying so much the collaboration between the two different art techniques with the airbrush and the acrylic pouring. It's been wonderful to collaborate with your son. How special is that? I've been trying to get him to do this. Like I said before, I even started the acrylic pouring. It was all because I was trying to encourage Scott's artistic flair that he has. So I just want to get that off there because I don't want the other colour. I think I've got about 4 pours lined up for when he's free to come and do the embellishment. So I have to like wait in between his work time, obviously, but we'll just see how it goes, and I just hope he can fit me in to do this. No, I don't want to do anything to that. I want to leave that open for his ideas on it, but I kind of got what I wanted to do there. I'm happy with that. I'm happy, Jan. Oh look, I've got my blues. Never mind. I'll just finish off around my edges here, or I might even wait till it's all finished and paint them in the dark blue on the border. I will just see if that's going to work. So I think it will, having a dark blue border on there around the canvas, you know, especially if it's put into a floating frame and you don't see the sides of your canvas. It's still nice finishing them off so they look professional, but it's not so important to get them painted up at this stage. But I'm really happy with that. I'm just thinking, do I want to do anything else in there or just leave it to him? I think I'll whiz over it with my heat gun. It looks very simple at the moment, but I can assure you it will be something spectacular when he's had his embellishments to it. So I hope you're liking it so far. So I will put this video out before Scott's embellishments, because when he comes to embellish it, I've tried to slow down his videos, because it doesn't just take him 20 minutes, half an hour like it takes us to pour something. He'll be working on something for hours to get in so much detail. And if you didn't watch the last few that he's put out, or that I've put out and then he's putting onto his channel, you'll see how much detail he actually fits in there. So it looks like a simple thing at the moment, so I am really excited to see his vision on this. And I hope you are too. So please watch out for the next exciting episode, and the next one will be just his airbrush art on this pour. So yes, I have had so many responses that, can you hire him out? We all need a Scott in our lives. And my answer would be yes, I'll hire him out. But of course, he's an adult and he has his own choice, so ask him. He has got his own YouTube channel at Grimart Customs. So the link will be in the description box and the first comment. So please hop over and join him. And yeah, give him some support by subscribing to his channel. And it'll encourage him to put more and more content on there. And it is really quite therapeutic watching his genius at work with the airbrush. So until tomorrow, my friends, please take care of yourself. Enjoy, go do something that gives you joy, whether it's your acrylic art, working in the garden, having a walk, or your animals. My animals are so much joy to me. Until tomorrow, bye for now.